Oh, we got a special car today. This is a 1967 Camaro Rally Sport Super Sport L78. For those of you that don't know what that is, that's the 396 making 375 horsepower. It's the most horsepower made by the 396. And it is body off frame restored. And it comes with some real nice documentation here. Well, it has a letter from the original owner stating that he certifies it's a genuine maroon L78 4-speed 411 Posi. He bought 13 days before his 16th birthday, and he kept it until November 8th of 2012. And at that time, it had 22,000 actual miles. It has 34,000 actual miles, which is also indicated on the title as actual. It comes with Protecto plate, window sticker. All the statements above are true and correct, signed and dated. This came with the car, a window sticker with the options, the owner's manual in the pouch, and the Protecto plate. The Protecto plate was the warranty card. They would verify the engine or transmission or rear end numbers to make sure you haven't swapped them out. So these numbers that were on the warranty plate are on the components of the car. So very well documented. Also in 1967, the cowl tag also gives you a lot of great information. That also tells us it was born this color with the deluxe interior, the 4-speed, the L78, the RSSS, that's all on that tag. So it has a lot of good indicators to verify what the car is. Go to volocars.com, that's where you can find the price tag on this one and about 200 other classic cars, all for sale, and they'll even have a monthly payment option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Beautiful color. We'll talk more about that in a second. So it's the SS, so it has the raised hood. This is all excellent, all straight, all looks real nice. The gap's a little big back here in the corner, and this cowl sits down a little low. It seems like the cowl should be raised up. It should be done by a professional. Once you start moving one thing, it leads to another thing. The fender is all really nice and clean. The body line's straight, door is straight, smooth, all looking real nice. Door can be pulled in a little bit more. That we can do, that's easy. No vinyl top, just a nice clean roof, clean sail panels, quarter panels, all nice, clean, right down to the bottom. All this is straight, clean. It has front and rear spoilers. All nice. It's smooth and glossy. See my reflection down here at the bottom? It's like a mirror. All beautiful, clean body. Both doors shut real nicely. All smooth, straight, clean. The roof, the pillar, all this is real nice. Madeira Maroon, I think is how you pronounce it. Beautiful. It's all laid out evenly, polished, smooth, and glossy. Barely worth mentioning. There's a little texture here. This is where the seam is from the factory for the quarter panels, and it's pretty insignificant. I seen a couple little chips. Here's a chip right here on the front edge. Painted on nose stripe. So a few imperfections. Here's a little chip on the edge of the fender. Here's one that's been touched up. A couple touched up on the edge of the door there. So a few imperfections. If you look for them, standing right here where I'm at. Smooth, glossy, all one nice color. So it's the Rally Sport, which includes the hideaway headlights. Also has optional bumper guards. All that grille, the trim, that all looks great. The emblems look new. Cross flag emblems here, all that looks beautiful. The Rally Sport also includes the wide moldings down here that are straight and shiny. The vent windows look beautiful. The bow tie mirrors, all the stainless trim, all looks to be in excellent shape. The rear window is new. All the trim is excellent. Emblems are sparkling. There's the bumper guards. It's an SS396, so it has a blacked out tail panel. Reverse lights are down here because it's a Rally Sport. Gas cap, all that looks really sharp. These are the Firestone reproduction red lines, but they're actually radials. They just started making these a couple years ago. If it has the letter R, FR 7015, so they're 15-inch reproduction tires that are radials. 15-inch rally wheels, those are new. This actually had the mag style hubcaps on it originally, and someone changed it out for the rallies more recently. The window seals, weather strips, all of this was replaced. The rubber around the vent window. Windshield is new. These look new. Everything up here is great. Got a lot more to show you, including that 375 horse motor under the hood. All right, let's see what we have inside the trunk. Nice. Underside of the trunk lid, all painted smooth, glossy, has the stickers. The jam is done real nice, new weather strip. And then inside, nice clean metal, spatter painted. Now I like this. They bought a 5th matching rally wheel with the Redline radial tire, never been used, to match the others that are on the car. That means the person was not a cheapskate that bought them, but pay extra for the 5th one. Go to volocars.com to check out all sorts of great cars and prices and videos and pictures and information. And subscribe to our YouTube channel. Post a few videos a day. So the jams are slick, the latches look new, the weather strips, the door bumpers, all that looks new. This is a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panel, window cranks, all that stuff looks new. The metal at the top is painted real nice and slick gloss black. So inside the car, it's got all of this is beautiful. It's all smooth and glossy. There's a scratch right around the headlight switch there for some reason. It shows, 23,547 miles. It had 22,000 when he sold it in 2012. It has a factory tachometer. All this is in very good shape. Original AM radio. Has the factory optional gauge cluster, and you can see the clock is actually working. New dash pad, and all this is nice, and kick panels, and interior light works. Got nice carpet, reproduction mats. Has seat belts. They're in excellent shape. These ashtrays, somebody had the bright idea of putting these in here. They're not correct, so somebody put ashtrays there. Part of the deluxe interior is a nice white stripe around the upholstery. That's all been replaced. Got a little buckle right here, but all looks new. Back of the seats real nice. Light works. Mats are new. Seat belts are in excellent shape. They might be reproduction. They're excellent. And all the upholstery, the seat, the side panels, look great. Trim is painted up nice. Then the headliner's been replaced. It's nice and tight and straight, and the dome lights work. Visors are in good shape. Mirror looks new. Steering wheel looks new. It's all beautiful. Yeah, real nice interior. And I'm thinking all the glass might be new. Wow, windows roll up smooth, real smooth. There's some little light scratches on some of the glass, but it's looking really nice. Okay, so this is all dated correctly. The casting codes and dates are proper for this car. The numbers that are stamped on the pad are correct for this car. You see his little hump right here. That indicates the 375 horsepower heads, and it also has the aluminum intake and the Holley carb, correct valve covers, air cleaner, correct exhaust manifolds. It has the proper markings put back on the firewall. Big block heater core. The hoses go in over here instead of over there. All this is nice, clean, tidy. Spring clamp battery cables with a Delco battery topper. Now it looks like they did put on some electric fans. All the pulleys look real good. They're deep groove pulleys. That's correct for the high revving solid lifter engine that it is. Has electric headlight doors. I can see some of the wiring and relays for that. Alternators clean, power brakes. Also has power steering hiding down there. So very nice, clean engine compartment. We have a picture of the tag on our website. You can look at and decode yourself if you'd like, but we'll be posting all that information. Has a hood insulation. Yeah, it's a real clean motor compartment. And it's a strong running motor. Michael's going to take you and show you what she's got.
All right, everybody. Got a totally cool rare car here. 1967 Camaro. It's numbers matching all the way across the board. Engine, trans, it's got the 396, 4-speed manual. Great looking car. Upgraded ride tech suspension all the way around, so adjustable coilovers out back. Seems like it's handles the bumps pretty nice. Riding really well. Nice buckets here with the center console. Got all your gauges up there. The clock is working. It's got a great feel to it. A real honest car, if you will. Really do like the way this one just started right up, and everything about it seems real cool so far. Let's see what she's got. Yeah, just like that. Up to speed, no problem at all. Yeah, feels great. Tight rever, nice acceleration on it. Really good car. Got power steering, power disc brakes on it. So, yeah, real RSSS car. And with that numbers matching driveline, very special car at that. If you want to test drive it yourself, you absolutely can. Just contact our sales department. Joey or Eric will be more than happy to help you arrange that. And I'd highly recommend it. It's a ton of fun. Or you can just click the buy it now. We can ship it anywhere in the world. If you feel you need another opinion, you can always hire a third-party inspector and they can do a thorough report for you. But as I see it, it's a fantastic vehicle. You're absolutely going to love it. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.
So this was a body off frame restoration. The underbody is all clean metal painted the same color. It's that nice. All the suspension, steering was all rebuilt and restored. Now again, recently an owner that owned it recently upgraded the suspension. It has tubular control arms, fatter sway bar, QA1 coilover adjustable shocks. Same thing in back. Upper and lower tubular control arms with the coilover adjustable gas shocks. Also has disc brakes at all four wheels. It's the factory type disc brakes. They're not like Willwood or anything. They look factory. It has a nice sounding dual exhaust system. Fuel system was replaced. Everything under there, brake lines, e-brake cables, all of it looks like it's been replaced. You look up at the engine, it's clean Chevy orange, has a canister type oil filter. Starter is clean. The Muncie 4-speed also has the VIN number of the car stamped on it. That's all clean. We put in a new shifter. It wasn't going into reverse real good. We replaced that. Rebuilt drive shaft. And it came with a 411 posi rear end and back. So this thing should really light them up at the stoplight. Now go to volocars.com. You can talk to the salesman. They'll answer the rest of your questions, like how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. They can help you if you can't make it out. There's third-party inspections you can hire to look at it for you, or we can answer the questions the best we can as well. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.